Welcome, everyone. I'm Marsha Martin, the Heart Healer, and I want to invite you to my online event where we're going to be talking all about money. Just the fact that you're here tells me that you're ready. You are ready to let go of those limiting beliefs and worn out ways that just aren't working. But you're also ready to receive. You are ready to receive more abundance. But let's be clear that abundance is more than just money. Yes, you'll experience more money, but you will also receive better health and more fulfilling relationships. Because when you heal your heart, you will transform every aspect of your life. You'll move from that state of desperation to the place where your life will be filled with love, joy, and peace. So let's get ready for transformation, and I'll see you on my workshop.